In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Apps section. In it, select Dual Apps, tap on Create, and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, like Amazon Shopping. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, when I go back, my Amazon app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this app, go into the same settings and choose the same No Blue switcher next to it. Lastly, tap on OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!